Welcome back everybody, and today we're going to be going over the free bucket weekend at Harbor Freight that's going on from May 15th through the 17th. What we have here is for most people, you get a free bucket with a purchase of $20.99 or more, and then if you're ITC of course, you get a free bucket with any purchase. What I'm going to show you in this video is if you're ITC, the cheapest things to go for to get your bucket for cheap, so let's get started. So one of the first things we're going to look at here is going to be a paintbrush. Not only are paintbrushes good for painting, but they're good for other things. You can use them to get dust off of stuff. You can also use them if you got a lot of stuff on your table like dirt and debris. You can use these in a small dustpan to dust it up into the pan. Comes in real handy for stuff like that. The first thing we got here is a 1-inch chip brush. This is 59 cents. Then you got a 2-inch brush for 69 cents, a 3-inch one for 99 cents, and a 4-inch one for 169. These are a couple of cheap ways to pick up your free bucket. Let's move on to the next thing I like using. Now, another thing I like picking up is a 7-inch carpenter's pencil for 79 cents. That's not a bad deal. And then also another great pickup is this Pittsburgh pencil tire gauge for $129. Usually what I do is every one of my cars has one of these in the glove box, because you never know when you're out and about. You might have to stop at a gas station, check your tire pressure, and get some air in your tires. These are very handy to have in there. So let's move on to something else I like picking up. Now, a couple other things that are on this page that I like picking up to get the stuff for free. You got the Color Snap Utility Blade Utility Knives. This is 79 cents. These are usually up by the counter. That's a great score. Or if you need a mini razor scraper, $1.99 is not a bad price. We also have the razor blade replacements here for the utility knives. This is a 10-pack for $1.99. Or you got the Quinn Razor Blade 10-pack for $1.99. That is a great deal. And then one other thing I want to show you guys real quick. If you do get these razors right here, they do sell the replacements for them. And they're $1.99 also for a 10-pack. Those are great options. Another option a lot of people like is the Harbor Freight 55-pound 19-gallon XXL bag for 99 cents. A lot of people snag that up to get their free gift. Now let's go up here into deals, and I'll show you the last place I like looking at. Let's go to Dollar Days. And this is a great place to look for good cheap stuff also, is in Dollar Days. We'll get this to show up here. And the first thing we have here is we got Gordon scissors for $1. You got electrical tape for $1. You got that scraper that I just showed you. This one's $1. Right now you got some the grabbers, I call them, for $2. Got some Hardy gloves here for $2. That's a great price. A funnel if you need it for $2. The PTO lock pin, $2. You just got a bunch of options in here. I'll just scroll through them just to highlight some of these. If you're in the $3 range, you got the nut setters. Then you also have the center punch. I actually have this and really like it. You got the magnetic parts holder, and then you can just go up from price from there. Looking through the Dollar Days. All kinds of goodies in here to get your free bucket. So there you go. There's some cheap ideas for you guys that are ITC to pick up your free bucket for cheap. I always say it pays to be ITC in more ways than one. You get free gifts like this every once in a while, and you get first dibs like on the parking lot sale coming up. So I always say at least get 1 year worth, and in store if you get 2 years worth you get a discount on it, so that makes it even better. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.